Assalamu alaikum students. This is Hafsa, your science teacher. Today we will discuss the next topic of unit number 11, that is the moon. Learning objectives of this lesson are: learn about the moon and understand the phases of the moon. Students, the moon is round like a ball. Moon is round like a ball. Moon is much smaller than the earth. The moon goes round the earth. Remember, earth goes round the sun. The moon is cold and dark and it has no air. The moon does not have its own heat and light. The light we see is actually sunlight. The sunlight shines on the moon and makes it look bright. Sometimes we see sun shining on the full face of the moon. Sometimes we see the sun shining on only part of the moon. Students, you can see different shapes of the moon that we observe from Earth. Students, do you know who is he? He is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first man, the first human being who walked on the moon. It's really interesting that a man walked on the moon. Students, an astronaut is a person who travels in space. Here are some questions for you. That who was Neil Armstrong? Does the moon give out its own light? And who is called an astronaut? Find the answers and then send me on my given email address. Students, if you have any query, you can send me an email as well. Take care.